An ordinary banana, taped to the wall, and sold for $6 million. The artist decided to take a banana, tape it up, and sell it for $6 million. And the buyer was this guy right here, apparently flushed with cash. And after paying the $6 million, he had the audacity to eat the banana in front of everyone. He didn't give a damn about bananas. After that, I had an idea and decided to create my own banana art with my minimal Photoshop skills. But this time, it was a real work of art featuring a banana, which a true tycoon would value at millions of dollars. Well, to start, I had to find the base of my scene, the background. I was thinking of something more apocalyptic and all, like the surviving banana. And since it is an apocalyptic era, why not put an old abandoned car in the middle of nowhere? A human skeleton too, to show there is no more life. A roadside flare as well, for no reason, just so it is not a completely empty environment. After all the elements are placed, it is time to make them more realistic, starting with their shadows and lighting, making the environment as realistic as possible, and maybe I will add a dust texture, or maybe not. Like the video and subscribe to recommend the video to more people and help the channel grow. And after a lot of work, time for the final touches. The image now looks like a real work of art, like Picasso's. You can pay for this masterpiece on the Gumroad website, insert the amount you want to pay for it, and then click the pay button and proceed with the cash out, supporting the channel and the creator to buy some bananas to eat.